Previously on Foggy Dew Films.
Small bear or cougar.
Travel all that distance just to make this, guys.
Oh, he's still climbing. Holy man. We've dropped the camera.
There's no way. The place we were trying to get to is right there. Not even really close. We ran ourselves into a little bit of a predicament.
Nothing ventured, nothing gained.
Anyways, we're gonna flip around, make our way back to the truck, have some lunch, and then see where we go from there. Alright folks, well, we made her back to the truck. We're gonna have some lunch.
Times.
Well, let's see how...
Damn hot. Fingers. Well, this is what you call a meal of champions. Some people might say a meal of chumps. But I believe we're champions.
It only matters what you think, I guess. Any good?
Yep.
Not bad.
You can have a beer and a tomato juice on the ride. But man, it's good. Cheers.
We might venture down to Abraham Lake and potentially up to Kidd Canyon. I think it's called Kidd Canyon. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comment section below. Alright guys, well, we made her up to Kidd Canyon, and again, I believe this is Kidd Canyon. Correct me if I'm wrong. We're gonna go out and have a peek over the edge here. Way up there, I don't know if you can see that. But way up there, just, yes, somewhere in this area here. There's a nice elk, I think. Dad's saying that's sheep, so he or she is standing nice and proud up there. Kidd Creek Hill. Alright folks, well, we are going to carry on from here.
Say again.
Just say we'll see you on the next one. All right, folks. Well, I hope you really enjoyed that drone footage. It is absolutely beautiful and amazing out here. Like I say, from Abraham Lake to the rivers to the snow-capped mountains in the background, it is just picture perfect. And saying that, if you guys hadn't seen yesterday's video, make sure you guys go and check out that one where we're on the rail trail hunting down some old tunnels that are out there. This has been an absolutely awesome couple of days for us. We can't ask for anything else. We've been super blessed. I think we're going to be making our way back to the truck here shortly. So, and saying that,
We'll see you on the next one. Okay.
oh, look at this. Yeah, this ain't good at all.
No.
Look at that right there, Dad. Yeah. Hopefully we didn't catch any on the way through. All right, note to self, guys. If you guys are coming across this bridge here, just be careful. Pre-scout it before you cross it. Bunch of nails. So anyways, carrying on. Like nothing.